Welcome to Module 4 of this video tutorial, Identifying and Mitigating AI Bias. Today, we're diving into an important topic, AI bias. It's a critical issue that affects how technology interacts with our lives. So what is AI bias? AI bias occurs when an algorithm produces systematically prejudiced results due to erroneous assumptions in the machine learning process. You might wonder why this matters. AI tools that reflect bias can lead to unfair decisions, especially in critical areas like job recruitment, law enforcement, and healthcare, affecting real people in tangible, often harmful ways. Now let's explore the different types of AI bias. Explicit bias happens when biased views are deliberately programmed into an AI system. This is less common, but can occur in systems where the input data reflects overt prejudices. Implicit bias is subtler and often unintentional. It arises from unrecognized or unacknowledged prejudices in the data or the way algorithms are structured. Statistical bias occurs when data sets are not representative of the population or phenomenon they are intended to model, leading to skewed outcomes. Examples of AI bias manifest in various ways, be it a facial recognition technology failing to accurately identify non-white faces, or a job recommendation engine favoring one gender over another. Now let's understand sources of bias in data and algorithms. 1. Data collection. Bias can creep in during data collection, whether it's through the ways data are gathered or the populations from which they are collected. If data is mainly collected from a specific group, it might not represent other populations accurately. 2. Historical bias. Sometimes the bias doesn't originate from the collection process, but from historical prejudice that the data represents. AI systems trained on historical data, without correcting for past injustices, can perpetuate those conditions. 3. Algorithm design. The way algorithms are structured can also introduce bias, particularly if the models make faulty assumptions about the data. Understanding these sources helps you appreciate why monitoring at each stage of AI development is crucial. So, what are the techniques for detecting bias? 1. Data auditing. Regular audits of the data sets can reveal imbalances or skewed information before they affect the system's output. 2. Algorithm testing. Employing various testing methods, such as A/B tests or blind tests, allows developers to see how different groups are affected by the algorithm's decisions. And 3. User feedback. Collecting and analyzing feedback from users can provide insights into how different demographic groups experience and perceive the AI system. These techniques are integral to any AI development process aimed at responsible implementation. All AI development need to adopt strategies for mitigating bias in AI systems in the following ways. Data diversification. One fundamental approach is to ensure the data used is broad and diverse enough to represent all concerned demographics fairly. Regular updates. Regularly updating data and algorithms ensures that the AI systems evolve in response to changing patterns and inputs, reducing the persistence of outdated biases. Implementing ethical frameworks. Adhering to ethical guidelines and frameworks can help in systematically addressing potential bias, ensuring consistent checks and balances. Adjusting algorithms. Sometimes making algorithmic adjustments to correct data imbalances or introducing fairness-focused algorithms can mitigate bias effects significantly. Let's connect what you learned here with the rest of this course. Recall from Module 2 that transparency and accountability are pillars of responsible AI. Understanding, detecting, and mitigating bias is a direct application of these principles. Not only does it improve fairness, but it enhances the overall integrity and trustworthiness of AI technologies. Moving towards Module 4, transparently communicating how biases were addressed in AI systems will be critical in explaining AI decision-making processes to stakeholders. In this module, you have explored the crucial aspects of understanding what AI bias is, where it originates, how to detect it, and the strategies to mitigate it. Implementing these steps effectively requires a continuous commitment to fairness and ethical considerations in AI development. Remember, minimizing bias is not just a technical challenge, but a fundamental requirement to ensure AI serves all parts of society justly. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.